And this is how you do laundry while in Greece. See that? That's how hot this water gets. I have never seen such hot water coming out of a tap like that. That's amazing. So I literally just have one cotton jersey dress, which I probably don't wear that often, and one pair of shorts. That's it. I didn't bring any clothes. I even bought a hoodie at the airport on the way here. Other than that, the only thing I brought was, what did I bring? A bikini, some spaghetti strap shirts that I usually sleep in. But look at this shit. This water is hot. Hot, 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 hot. Now I see why the sink is big, because people do their laundry in their sinks and then hang it outside to dry. So yeah, this is me doing my laundry.